So you guys, on one of the most watched episode of Moja Loves FakeGobela, we saw a lady called Makhephula who claimed that her Gobela, Gogo Makhephula, did not properly initiate her, you guys. She said that he only took her money and basically sent her back home. She went there to expose Makhephula for being fake, and she came back looking very ill, claiming that it is Amadlozi attacking her because she did not complete Gogo Makhephula, you guys. So a video of her days after she was seen on TV claiming that she was ill is doing its round on TikTok, and she looks very much healthy, and it has also been alleged that she was paid by Mocha Love and the host of FakeGobela to tarnish the Gobela who had initiated her. The Gobela was Gogo Makhephula, you guys. So this is one of the comments that I read under that video. When we tell people how initiates can be manipulative and create stories, they don't believe us. Lo yena uthi uyagula ane energy engaka. Well, what are your thoughts, you guys? Please do share them with me in the comment section. And if you like this content, please do follow me, subscribe if you haven't yet done so, guys. I will definitely see you on my next one. Bye.